Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be testing myself. I'm going to attempt to try to create an entire makeup tutorial for you guys using makeup products that are $5 and under only. It's going to be hard, but I think I can do it. I think I have everything laid out, and from everything that I've seen, I think I can make it work. So I wanted to do something very affordable, a drugstore option for those of you guys who are on a budget and you guys are looking for things that are good and aren't going to break the bank. So if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Steph, and let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and kick it off. We're going to start off with the brows. I was so excited that this brow product was actually one of the brow products I could use in this tutorial. This here is the E.L.F. Cosmetics Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This has become one of my favorite brow pencils to use, you guys. I have been using this brow pencil nonstop. I do plan to pick up another one because I really love it, and it costs $5. So the brows are done. Normally I would go in with a brow powder to set everything. Unfortunately, the brow powder that I do have from E.L.F. I feel like it's just a little too warm. So we're not going to do anything with it. We're just going to leave them like that and hope that they don't go anywhere. To clean up my brows and to conceal my lids, I'm going to be taking this concealer by LA Pro Girl. This here is in the shade Porcelain. I'm going to take these E.L.F. Align and Define stickers, and I'm going to place them on the outer corners so we can get a nice sharp look. We're going to go ahead and set the lid, and the first eyeshadow color I'm going to be going in with is from the Wet n Wild palette, Rosé in the Air. I'm going to be taking that cream shadow and using it all over as my base. For today, I really wanted to try to use this palette. This here is from Wet n Wild. It's part of their Zodiac collection. This palette is called Water, and I kind of wanted to either use this like blue or green, or maybe do kind of like half and half on the whole lid. Sticking with the Rosé in the Air, I'm going to take this light dusty rose shade, and I'm going to apply that all over, that on my lid as my first transition shade. Going into the next color, I'm going to be taking the chocolate brown, and I'm going to use that and apply that right into my crease. I'm going to take concealer and I'm going to apply it onto my lid. I'm not going to do a complete like heavy cut crease onto my lid. I want to have it a little bit diffused as we get into the crease, and you will see why. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to apply it onto my lid. As I get closer to the lid, I will go ahead and kind of diffuse it. So it's not going to be like a really harsh cut crease. So I'm going to go in first, and I'm going to take this shade, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply it. Just try to get that all over that concealer. Oh, Steph, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead and try to take some of the blue and just apply it on the outer corner just for a little bit of depth. And we're just using my finger again. Now let's go back in with this little tiny blending brush, and there's no product just yet. We're just going to blend out the edges first. Now what you could do is take just a little bit of that chocolate brown. You don't want to take a whole lot, just a little bit, so you can really get some depth, but it should be really... Oh yes. Now at this point you could definitely apply a wing if you want to. I'm going to opt out of doing a wing for today. I kind of want to keep it like this. I just like the way it looked without it. So I am going to take a little bit of liquid liner still though, because I do want to line the top lash line. And I'm going to be going in with the E.L.F. Intense Ink Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the E.L.F. Length and Volume Mascara. I am going to be going in with lashes today. I'm going to be taking the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. I have the multi-pack, but you could definitely get the single packs for about $4.99 or something like that. There's always sales on them. I do know you can get them under $5 though. So I am applying quite a few coats of mascara to my lashes because they are pretty light, and I want to make sure that they are emphasized with the color on the lid so that way they aren't washed out. So I'm applying about 50 coats of mascara with this mascara. Not my favorite mascara, but it'll do the job. Now for primer, I would recommend that you get the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer if you guys are oily skin. I do know that Rimmel also makes a couple other primers that are also really awesome, and they are for different skin types. Unfortunately, I ran out of mine, so I can't use it. So I'm going to be a daredevil, and I'm actually going to go in with the Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. It says that you can use it to prep your skin as a primer, so let's hope it works. Keep in mind there are a ton of products out there that are under $5. Unfortunately, I just didn't have the time to run out and go get the other items that I could have picked up to do this makeup look. I do know E.L.F. also makes a really good primer. All of these products, though, are mainly products that I have in my collection already. I wanted to use products that were in my collection that I didn't have to buy, like go out and buy. So I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Before I put on my foundation, I'm going to go in with a little bit of green concealer. I'm going to be going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer. This here is the green color corrector. So I'm just going to use this to kind of counteract that redness that I have. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This here is in Matte and Poreless. This does retail for right at $5 and some change. Depending on where you go, it could be a little bit more, could be right around $5. I always find it for $5.39. And if you guys are smart like me and you guys shop on the Sunday newspapers and you grab a coupon, you typically can get $1 off on Maybelline products. So you can get this for about $4. And then again, for concealer, I'm just going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. To set the face, we are going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I have the shade Fair. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Covergirl Clean Powder. I love this thing to bronze up my skin. This is in the shade Tawny, and I do want to say that it retails for about like $3 or $4. Like, it's super inexpensive. It's a pressed powder, and it's fabulous, you guys. So for blush, I have two options. I have either the Essence Silky Touch Blush, which looks like this, or I have the Maybelline Fit Me Blush, which looks like that. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. I think it's more softer on the skin. This is in the shade Baby Doll. Yeah, let's go in with this one. Let's dive back into Rosé in the Air, and let's go in with the, let's start off with the chocolate brown really quickly and line up against the lash line. And then we're going to buff it out a little bit more, and I think I want to take kind of this reddish tone shade. Let's try it out. And just kind of buff it even a little bit lower. Oh, that's pretty. I actually have one of the AOA Studio Highlighters. This here is from Shop Miss A. So I'm actually going to take that and use my finger, and I'm just going to apply it right in the center right here. Let me go ahead and just press it in with my beauty sponge. So for lip liner, I'm actually going to be taking a lip liner to apply all over my lip for today's look, and I'm going to be going in with the Essence lip liner. This here is in the shade Soft Berry. Okay, and then for lipstick, I'm actually going to go in with the Essence number 11 Nude Love. Now, when I look for it on Ulta's website, I can't find it, but there's reviews and lip swatches of it around. So I'm just going to be using this color, but Essence lipsticks are really affordable, and you guys can use any shade. I wanted to use this one because it's got a more of a light shade to it, so I can give more of an ombre finish to it. So we have finished. it's possible to create a look using makeup products that are $5 and under, and you can create bomb-ass looks, obviously. So I'm excited that I did this makeup tutorial. Let me know down below if you guys like this, and if you'd want to see me do it again, maybe using different products, and if you guys have any product recommendations that are under $5, let me know down below so I can go ahead and pick those up, and maybe we can do another tutorial using it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, before you head out, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for being a part of my family. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that way you guys know when I upload. But you guys should already know I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 6 p.m. So otherwise than that, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.